Hey there! This video answers the most asked question about the 390 challenge in simple and honest way. Starting the 390 challenge is very simple. You just need to enroll any course of your choice at GeeksforGeeks, and the day you enroll in the course, your challenge automatically begins. There is no separate registrations, no extra form, no manual activation. Your only goal is to complete at least 90% of your course within 90 days at your own pace. Yes, the refund is real and already proven. Last year alone, GeeksforGeeks has refunded 4 crore plus to the learners who have successfully completed the challenge. And this year, the goal is to help even more learners to stay consistent and earn their refunds. If you complete 90% of your course within 90 days, you will receive 90% of your course fee back as per the challenge terms. There are no hidden conditions beyond completion. Yes, the courses are the same, and that's the point. GFG courses are structured to take you from basics to interview level understanding, whether it's DSA, system design or interview preparation. 390 challenge ensures you actually complete the journey. By finishing 90% of the course, you practice consistently, covers all core topics and build real interview readiness, not just partial knowledge. The course gives you the roadmap and the challenge makes sure you reach the destination. Because we noticed a common problem. Learners would enroll in the courses with a good intent, start strong and then pause halfway. Not because the lack of ability, but because the life gets busy. The 390 challenge was created to support serious learners and reward consistency. It was not about making the courses free, but it was about encouraging learners to finish what they start and upskill.